Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And yesterday we talked about OneDrive, and I talked about how Microsoft kind of, is a little dumb to always make things complicated in Windows. And I explained that, it was making it almost difficult to get out of OneDrive. Well, there were people, on my side I didn't get that, but there were some that actually had to explain why they have quit OneDrive, and they would get a message like this: select a reason for quitting OneDrive. And it got a lot of people mad. And when we say Microsoft doesn't listen, they actually listen when the regular folks that use Windows start to complain. They kind of actually listen at some point. And an example is this. Apparently, those that had this when they were quitting OneDrive got mad and actually told Microsoft, this is unacceptable. I should not have to explain why I'm quitting OneDrive. I don't want it. That's all. And, yeah, absolutely. Microsoft says it was not in the intent of, frustrating anyone or making users mad. They just wanted to know a reason. Why is it that you don't want to use OneDrive? That was, for them, it was apparently an innocent, just, I want to know why you're not using our app. But it got users mad. So Microsoft today has announced that this will not happen. Now, if you quit a OneDrive, you will not be asked the reason why. So they're backtracking on this, and that shows one thing: is when users really get mad about something, Microsoft does backtrack. There's been several occasions this year where something got users real mad, and they just kind of backed off and said, "Okay, we won't do it." So another funny little thing about Microsoft trying to do things, but the problem with Microsoft is this: is it's so difficult for them to just even communicate with us what they want to do, that it sometimes just makes people mad. And this is an example. Why is it so complicated to have to quit OneDrive? And by the way, somebody mentioned it, and I did not mention it yesterday because I thought I showed you how to, turn it off from the task manager. You can prevent OneDrive from starting up. But also, if you go into your settings and go into the apps, OneDrive is also an app that you can remove from your PC. So if you do not wish to have OneDrive on your computer, simply go and find the Microsoft OneDrive app, and you'll be able to uninstall OneDrive. It is one of the apps that you can remove from your PC if you never wish to use it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.